If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Thread subscription, follow these straightforward steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Thread app. Launch the Thread app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu icon, often located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions, Billing, or Payments. This section will provide details about your current subscription status and renewal options. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription options, locate the setting for auto-renewal. Toggle the option off or select the Cancel Subscription button to stop future charges. Step 5. Confirm changes. Follow any prompts to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your auto-renewal has been successfully disabled. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Thread subscription and prevent any unwanted charges in the future.